1. A comical inclination. On the off chance that you can make a young lady giggle and demonstrate you're enjoyable to associate with, she'll partner positive emotions with you. Fascination is a feeling. It's characterized by how a young lady feels about you. Her fascination for you isn't intelligently controlled by a screening procedure. Your activity, looks, pastimes and interests. So don't treat your communications with ladies like a meeting. Dull discussion executes fascination. As opposed to pose exhausting inquiries like "Where are you from?" Rather play the speculating game. You sound like you're an Essex young lady with that horrible compliment of yours. Focus on demonstrating your entertaining side, make happy discussion and bother her silly. 2. Energetic and energizing. Ladies love the rush of peril and energy. They need to be protected from the weariness of regular day-to-day existence. In the event that you can be that person and give the experience a young lady pines for, she'll see you appealing. To do this, emphasis on being energetic around ladies. Joke around, be unconstrained, bother them, and recount two intriguing tales about your life. 3. Grin and hold eye-to-eye connection. Remain secured eye-to-eye connection and follow with a light grin to alleviate the pressure and abstain from resembling a passive nursery elf. By holding eye-to-eye connection and grinning, you are inconspicuously communicating your sexual want for her in a sure manner. 4. Loosen up your nonverbal communication. You need to be looking quiet, cool and determined under tension. Dislike like a meth addict hanging tight for his next hit. Keep your nonverbal communication open, never fold your arms. What's more, recline somewhat so you don't go over undermining. 5. Keep your voice low and talk gradually. A quieting profound voice is exceptionally alluring. Think Joey Tribbiani on Companions and his well-known pickup line, "How you doin'?" Talk gradually and compliment your words like you're recounting to a story to charm her consideration. 6. Tune in and give her your complete consideration. Ladies love a decent audience. Try not to get occupied and look away, regardless of whether the Super Bowl is playing on the television behind her. Be completely engaged in what she needs to state. What's up, Success Animation here. There is one forward question you should completely never inquire as to whether you need her to be your girlfriend or wife. Or then again anything past only an hookup who you never get notification from again. Do you recognize what the inquiry is? As a guy it will probably sound completely innocent to you. In any case, I can disclose to you that when women hear this inquiry it takes all of the wind out of their romantic sails. Regardless of about how they feel about a man before he asks it. What's more, on the off chance that you have ever had a woman pull away from you when you didn't need anything more on the planet than to have her draw you closer, it's most likely on the grounds that you posed this inquiry without knowing it. In fact, you probably thought asking this question was a good thing even though you couldn't be more wrong. Once more, do you recognize what the inquiry is? Let me give you a clue. The question is blank you blank me. Can you fill in the blanks? I have asked a lot of guys if they know what the question is, and only 3 guys out of every 100 get it right. Along these lines, do you comprehend what the inquiry is? If you are absolutely sure you are right, then we have nothing else to say to each other. But if you don't know the answer, or if you just want to confirm that you do, I need you to stop whatever you are doing and go watch the special video I have assembled for you at the link you see on your screen now. See, this video is by Joshua Pelliser, one of the biggest experts when it comes to seducing women. And in the special video you will watch when you click the link you see on your screen, he will show you what this toxic forward question is. He will teach you the shocking and strange truth about female psychology and why women pull away, and introduce you to a simple 3-word phrase that forces a woman to automatically open her heart, let down her shields and commit to love you. and even worshipping you while thinking it's 100% your idea. And all you have to do is click the link and go watch the video right now. Before the curiosity drives you mad. Before you find yourself in bed tonight wondering what you missed. Because I can only help you if you decide to help yourself by clicking the link on your screen and watching this special video right now.